High above the clouds, in the heart of Sri Lanka's tea country, adventure and tranquility await. Experience the unique exclusivity of a 19th century tea factory turned hotel. Wander through lush tea fields, hike misty hills and the scenic Pekoe trail. Pluck tea leaves, sip authentic brews and experience a charming mini tea factory. Delight in a dining experience aboard a train carriage. Partake in bonfire nights. Explore the Ramayana trails where tradition is alive. Reconnect in the serene beauty of the highlands. Discover a world where every moment is yours to explore. Visit Heritance Tea Factory.